Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, live, and genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and I go live every morning. We're joined every day by investors all around the world that take part in our show, share with you their honest positions, their trades, and that's what this channel is all about. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I just saw in the chat asking about when is the Chairman Powell going to make the announcement. It is at 12 p.m. Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern. I will be live for it. We are going to go live early for today's event. It does affect everything. If we get a huge rise, then we could get another drop in the market. It's why, in my opinion, and it's only my humble opinion, why the markets are pumping now. It's a pump and dump. So I would be very, very wary of it. It's great to see green. It's always wonderful to see, but I don't think we're going to stay green for very long. We shall see, though. Subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, let us know what's going on. We are officially now in bear market. We are in recession. We could even be entering into depression. It's one of the biggest sell-offs in history, and inflation's out of control. We could have a huge drop today. If we do, we do. All we got to do is prepare for it, and right now the thing to do is hold tight. Not sell off, maybe not even buy in. Okay, let's have a look at our stocks this morning. As you can see, the S&P is up at the moment. My overall portfolio is up at the moment as well by 0.6. Let's see who's in the live chat right now. If you've just tuned in, good morning, everybody. How are you all? How's everybody feeling? Let me bring Mike is in here. Good morning, Mike. Thank you to Mike. Rob McLean, oh yes, great weather, doing advanced course. Is that on motorbike? I'm an advanced motorcyclist. I did my advanced course years ago. Absolutely great. Who was the guy who trained me? He was an RAF outrider. My mate, I can't remember his name now. Mike, cool, Rob. I read 100 basis points rise will pump stocks, as it would mean a recession will come quicker, which means QE will start again. There's a difference of opinion. Some people say if the markets go up, that if the price goes up, the rate goes up, then the price will, the markets will sell off. You know, on the other hand, it means the Fed are taking the inflation more seriously, and ultimately we're going to get in there. We're going to get to a better place. Of course, a lot of this is already priced in, so it's very unsure what happens. If you remember last time, we were expecting a higher rate, and it was a half. The stocks pumped after the Fed, and then they dropped off again. It was like a pump and dump. So be very wary of it. Anyway, let's see what happens. Mr. Clockwork, good morning, good people. How are you? Rob McLean, welcome to you. Robbie Cooper, welcome, Robbie Cooper. Lovely to see everybody here this morning. Great numbers this morning. Fantastic. I appreciate all of you being here this morning very much indeed. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Great stuff. We've got 17 watching. Let's get 17 likes if we can. Here's Mr. Mini-Me on the screen. Let's see if we can get those likes up today. We'd like to open on the hour. We've never... 31 was our record a few days ago. Let's see if we can do that again today. 31 likes on the hour, which is in 20 minutes from now. 22 minutes from now. So that'd be absolutely great. All right. Okay. Let's go through all our stocks and see what our position is. Peter Maycock, good afternoon from York. Good afternoon, Peter. How are you this afternoon? Now, have you all entered the cash giveaway? Every Friday, I do a cash giveaway. It's not a lot, but it's the money I make on the show. I give it to you. It's all I can give to you. It's all I make on the show. $10, but it's a $10 cash prize nevertheless. It's free to enter, free for all. You don't have to pay anything. Everyone could be involved. It's a little thing I like to do every week, and I've always done it, always will, and I've always been there for all of you. So if you'd like to be part of it, all I ask is you watch this video, and you can be in the cash draw for Friday. And I'll give you the link right now in case you've not seen it. I'm going to bring it up now. It's the cash giveaway. Here it is. And you need to leave the comment below. You all know what the comment is. If you watch the video, it'll tell you. So let me give you the link right now. This is the competition video. I'm going to put in the chat right now. So if you have not yet watched it, this is the comp video, and here it is. There it is. It's for $10. You have to be in the show to win it, and you need to leave good. In fact, I'm not going to tell you what you got to leave. You got to watch the video to find out. I'm going to give it away. All right, there you go. There we go. I'll post it in the chat right now 3 times. So what you do is watch the video all the way through. It's exactly, how long is it? It's only a couple of minutes. How long is that video? 1 minute, 27 seconds long, I think it is. Watch it all the way to the end. And remember, you only go in the draw if you do watch it all the way to the end. It's free to enter, free for all. And on Friday, we'll do a cash prize draw and we'll pick a winner out. All right. You've just got to leave a like, watch it through, and leave the comment I tell you in the video below in the comments. That's it. And you can be in the draw for Friday. Fantastic. Good afternoon, all, says Peter Maycock. Right, let's go through my stocks. Virgin Galactic is up 1.56, looking good. Virgin Orbit, 5.77, up today. That's a big jump. Still 23% down, though. Very tempting to buy it, of course it is, but I haven't got any more money, so I can't. And I'm not going to overborrow and overspend and stuff like that. That's when you get in trouble. You saw what happened last time. Rivian is down 1% today. Have you heard any more from Peru? No, I haven't heard from him at all. Sadly, he sent me a message on Discord that he was upset that I took away the moderation, and I explained it wasn't personal. I took away over 25 moderations because nearly every single person in the show was a moderator. I mean, his point was he regarded it as an honor and a privilege, and he felt insulted by it being taken away. And I said that wasn't what I meant. I took it away from 25 people, and the reason for it is everybody was a moderator, so no one could moderate anybody. Everyone was a moderator. So what I decided to do, and I explained it yesterday, I took it away from people that weren't moderating, and I didn't see it. And I'm sorry if you saw it more than that. I simply gave the moderator privilege, not even privilege, the moderator role to people to moderate. And a moderator is there to moderate in the channel. That's it. Delete bad comments, stuff like that. And I decided, because we had so many, nearly everyone was a moderator, that I would take it away from people who have never moderated. So, if he wants to be upset over it, I can't do nothing about it. But I'm not just gonna give moderators so people give cash prizes to people or stuff like that. It's a moderator is there to moderate, and if you don't want to moderate, there's no point being a moderator. So I couldn't pick and choose. So I just went through everybody that hadn't moderated and removed it, and didn't think it was a big deal. And I did tell him that I gave him gold status benefits, even though he wasn't a member. What more can I do? But I'm not going to be unfair to people and make anyone more special than anybody else. That's not what this channel is about. It's always been honest and always been fair. Robbie said, I don't understand why he's insulted by it. No, I don't understand either. I feel it's a little bit silly, perhaps, to be insulted by a moderator position. It's just a position that allows you to delete comments. And I went through the whole history, and I deleted the people that had never moderated. Never moderated once. So what's the point? So anyway, we're here for stocks. Moderation is purely to get rid of spam. I know. I feel it's silly. On one side, he's playing the part, and I say playing the part because we don't know his real name and so on and so forth. He's playing the part of being King Peru. And on the other side, he's offended by taking away a moderator spanner. I don't understand it. Anyway, we're for stocks. Moderation is purely to get rid of spam. There shouldn't be any high up rolls. We are all here to help one another. I absolutely agree, and that's what I said. He's welcome back, as is Market Profit. But this channel's always been fair and real and honest, and it won't be, manipulated or directed or controlled by anyone. And there it is. I stand by that. And I apologized. I apologize that he's offended, but I'm not going to change my mind, Not going to make people moderators for no reason. Anyway, that's up to him, I guess. But I'm not as rich as Peru, but you have my $10 every week. People can't buy the channel. That's not what we're about, is it? All right, J&J is up 0.01 today. Google is up 0.4. Microsoft is up 1.19. Meta is up 1.09. We've got 15 minutes to go. Let's see if we can get to our magic 31 likes today. There we go. SoFi is up 0.76. IonQ is up 1% this morning. Everything's pumping up this morning, but is it going to be a pump and dump? What do you think? Let's see. I'm going to run a poll here. Hey, Paul B. How are you, Paul? You just missed what we were talking about last night with regard to the moderation. But there we go. We've just covered that now. Will the markets go red? Hang on. What should we say? Green, hang on. Green day or red day? Okay, green day or red day. We're going to tune in earlier. We're going to tune in for... oh, okay, Paul got it. Great. Green day or red day, we are going to cover... We are going to go early today for the Fed meeting. We are going to cover that. There we go. What do you think? By the way, because as you asked, and I wasn't going to bring it up, but you asked me, so I always answer honestly. So I got the response from Peru about how upset he was about a moderation spanner, which I don't understand. If you're a big person, I don't get why it's such an offensive thing, but I apologize if it is. And I replied to him saying, I'm sorry that you were offended by it. He's not replied back. He's not replied back, and he's been online this morning, but he's not replying to me. So that's fine. If he wants to not reply to me and be offended by a spanner, then that's up to him. I think we should close the story there and leave it as it is. Anyway. On is up 1.45. IPOF is flat today. Tilray Brands is up 1.27. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 2%. Open Door is up 2.38. Enphase is up 1.84. We are getting a classic pump this morning. I'm out of Gores Guggenheim now. I might as well close that out. I decided to get out of that. Joby Aviation is up 0.21. Robbie says you shouldn't need to apologise. It's a silly thing. Bigger things to worry about than I totally agree. But and be respectful. Be respectful for everyone. But I'm not going to make anyone more special than anyone. It doesn't seem right. All right. Mark Forged is up. Bitcoin BSV up 2%. Bitcoin is up. BTC is up 1%. And Ethereum is down 1.17. Okay. Yes, let's move on, family. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Now then, 54 people say, 54% have said Green Day. Okay. Well, we are going to cover the Fed. So it goes, the Fed will speak. Jerome Powell speaks, and I believe midday Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern. So I will do the closing bell early. That's what I will do, and I will relabel it the Fed, so you'll all know it's what it is, and we'll listen in. We'll listen in to what Jerome Powell has to say, and we'll see directly how it affects the markets. but I feel it's a very, very important day. One of the most important days we've had. Right, now then, we've got 27 watching and 15 likes. What's going on this morning? What's going on this morning? So, subscribe, ring the bell if it's your very first time here. We're trying to get up to 31 likes on the hour. We've got 10 minutes, so please smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock, and let's try and get to 20 likes in the minute. You ready? Rob McLean, smash the like button. Likes. Can we do it? Can we get to 20 likes in the next 30 seconds? Quick sip of tea. $20 likes. Come on, just 3 more to go. Can we do it? Oh, cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. You bat bat. Will the real Satoshi please stand up? Hey! There we go. 18. That's pretty good out of 25. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day. I think that's fantastic. I think that's fantastic. It's easy to get tea bags. Is it easy to get tea bags in America? We order them on Amazon, believe it or not. We order them on Amazon. PG Tips and Tetleys. That's what we have. But we order them on Amazon. They bring stuff in all the time. What is this beat? It's just an audio that I downloaded. I've had it for ages. I got it off YouTube. I think it was one of the sounds you can use. So it's a copyright-free sound. But there you go. Well, do you like it? Do you like my little sound? I might do it as a day trader ringtone. You need good old Yorkshire tea. Oh yes, Peter Maycock. Good old Yorkshire tea. Love some Yorkshire tea, yeah. Right, the overall portfolio's looking all right this morning at the moment. It's great to see it up, though, right? But will it stay there? That's the question. Will it stay up there after the meeting? So, we're 50-50 now. We're going to end this poll shortly, and then I'm going to ask you another question. So, if you want to vote on whether we'll have a green or red day today, it's 50-50. Mind you, I think I'm going to pretty much end it there because it looks, whichever way it goes now, it's not going to be decisive, right? I think we can all agree on that. It's not really going to be decisive. So let's do this. What I'm going to do is we're going to go early today for the closing bell by a couple of hours so we can cover Jerome Powell speaking live and see how it affects the market. Good morning, the Queen of Self-Braiding. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. So we'll do a poll right now, and I'll ask you the question, who's joining me early, whoops-a-daisy, AR, early today for Jerome Powell? All right, so who's joining me early today for Jerome Powell? We'll go 2 hours early so we can cover Jerome Powell's speech and we can get a reaction and we can tell the market's effect and so on and so forth. So the first part of the show will be Jerome Powell speaking and we'll be monitoring the stocks. So who's joining me early today for Jerome Powell? Ask the community. There you go. All right, there you go. Let's see who's interested in that and I'll set that show up. So, we've got 7 minutes to go, 20 likes, pretty good. Let's welcome our guests in over on TikTok. Thank you very much for joining us over on TikTok. Thank you to our followers. We've got 17.3 thousand followers on TikTok now. Thank you very much indeed. Be wary of all the scams on TikTok. You know I'm the real one because I've got nearly 18,000 followers. I'm always live. We always do cash giveaways. I never ask for your WhatsApp, never ask for your Telegram, and we're just here for you. It's simple, really. And I spell my name correctly. The others that try to pretend to be me always add a dot or a T or an I at the end or something stupid like that. Oh, look, we've got a guest here this morning. Peru's come in. Why am I saying you're upset? I'm not upset. I was explaining the etiquette of YouTube. You never replied to me on Discord. Again, I'm a moderator on many other channels. Peru, with the greatest respect, it doesn't matter to me on how many channels you are a moderator on. You didn't moderate on this channel. I mean, if you were Elon Musk and you were in my channel and you were giving me $1 million a day, I wouldn't make you a moderator if you didn't moderate. We all have appreciated your input. I've appreciated your knowledge and insight. And you liked this channel because it was honest and real. So I'm going to continue doing what you liked about my channel. I'm not going to make someone a moderator just because they give prizes to the members. I'm not doing it. I took away moderator status because you didn't moderate, and it wasn't just you. And I'm sorry you feel offended because you're saying you're not upset, but your message to me was you were upset. And the fact of the matter is, no one is more important than anyone. No matter how rich they are, you know, at the end of the day, we're all equal and we're all the same. And that's what you loved about this channel. And you loved the fact that I always tell the truth and I'm always honest. If you're a moderator on 100 channels, that doesn't make any difference. If you don't moderate on my channel, you don't moderate. And you didn't. And 20 others didn't do either. And no one else has been upset about it. You are just not getting the message from me and others. There's no others. There is no others. Everybody is here this morning. Everybody's positive. People have said, we don't know why you're upset. So don't, you know, I don't know why, you know, you are not getting, man. Never mind. I'm not getting it. Peru, if you wish to be a big member of our channel and a contributor to our channel, why on earth would you be worried about a moderator spanner? I mean, it's, I don't know. It seems a bit silly and petty to me. I mean, you are, I don't know. It seems silly. You say I'm not getting it. You're right. I'm not getting it. I don't understand this drama over Peru is bigger than a moderator. Well, everyone is the same. Everyone is the same. Yes, I am. Peru is the only person in my channel who gets gold member status. We have one-on-one calls. We talk to each other. I thought we were friends, but clearly that's gone down the toilet. He gets all the perks and benefits of a gold member without being a member. He doesn't pay to be a member. I don't know his real name. I give more time to Peru than anyone else, and he's upset because he doesn't have a moderator spanner. To me, you know, I think it's a bit silly. We're all the same. So you don't think we're all the same? You think that's funny? Well, we are all the same, Peru. Everybody here is as important as anyone else. We appreciate your support. We really do. But we're trying to grow, and we will grow, the best YouTube channel in the world, because we will always maintain integrity, honesty, and decency. And we're not going to be, you know, bullied into changing principles. Now, I'm sorry you disagree with me. But as you said, you are on 5 other channels, and you can be on those 5 channels. And you know, I miss your input, and I missed your friendship. I thought we had a friendship, but clearly it was based upon you being a moderator, even though you didn't moderate. So I think I'm going to move on from it now, because I think I've reflected my views. I've been honest. I've been fair. I've been transparent. and we see the world differently. So I guess we should move on. Anyway, the market. So I asked the question, will you join me earlier today? We are going to go live for the Jerome Powell speech. Good morning, Dr. Smith. How are you? One of our original members from the very beginning. Good to have you here. Should we have a look at BSV this morning? Let's look at all the stocks this morning. Ethereum is down 2.2. And also BTC is up 0.22. And let's look at BSV. BSV is up 1.86. BSV is looking good. VORB up 7% pre-market. Oh, yes, indeed. But didn't buy any of this. I feel like so frustrated. 23% down. I just don't have the money to buy in. Video and general chat. Watch it. 12 minutes long. Video in general chit chat. Watch it. 12 minutes long. What's in general chit chat? Let me go over to Discord. General chit chat. What have we got? Crypto holders prepare now. Is that Paul B? Yes, you put a video in. Let me share this with everybody. Paul B has dropped in a comment here. A video you might want to go and look at. Crypto holders, I don't want to frighten you, but please prepare. I think everything's going to go down today, isn't it? Thank you very much, Paul B. Go and check that out. And thanks for sharing that link with us, Paul. I think everyone should go and take a look at all this sort of stuff. But make your own judgments, make your own mind up. Don't be swayed by anyone. All right, okay. Now I'm going to end this now because this is silly. Overnight fame. Seriously, people. Peru, with the greatest respect to you, you're not acting like the king right now. You're acting a bit silly. Overnight fame, are you serious? Are you serious? Overnight fame, I've toured 195 countries, performed for the Queen, Sir Elton John, performed as the Phantom of the Opera. I have a wonderful family here on YouTube. I'm not famous on YouTube. You told me yesterday I'm famous now on Twitter because 100 people followed me talking about BSV. That does not make me famous. I'm sorry, but I regard fame a lot and a success a lot more than 100 followers on Twitter talking about BSV. I'm sorry that you think I'm famous because I have 100 followers on Twitter. Overnight fame, I've changed. I'm the most humble, real person you'll ever meet. And you thought that at the beginning. And now you're getting silly. So I'm sorry, but I'm not going to play this game anymore. I don't need to learn a lesson. All right, okay, whatever. I think everyone's making their own judgment. We're looking at the stocks right now. I'm just having a thought about something a moment. Let's have a look. All right. The stocks, the portfolio is up 0.73. So I'm just a bit taken back by all this. I am. You know I'm a real person. You know I'm emotional. This is silly. Vanguard S&P is up 0.92. Virgin Galactic 1.73. So I asked you 50%. 7 of you will go early with me then for the Jerome Powell. I think it's very important, right? Because if the stocks, if we get, whatever happens, I think it's going to make the market swing. So we know something's going to happen dramatic today. It's either going to be a beginning of a recovery or it's going to be a massive drop. Something's going to happen today. But right now I feel this is a bit of a bull trap. I'm not buying in. I haven't got the money anyway. I'm just sitting on the sidelines and waiting and seeing where we go. Okay. Now then, for those of you who want to enter my cash giveaway on Friday, I'm giving you the video link right now. If you want to be in the cash giveaway, it's only $10. But it's the money I make in the video, and I'm happy to share it with anyone. It's over there on Friday. There's the video. Watch it and leave the comment that I tell you in the video, and you'll be in the prize draw. Now, I'm very excited to tell you that we have a good number of people now following me for the Kickstarter campaign. Very exciting. I plan on going to the spaceport in the UK, getting some interviews if I can, and I funded nearly all of it. But I'm not able to, obviously with the stocks, and it's a very difficult time for everyone right now, isn't it? But hopefully, the idea is I'm trying to get funded in 1 hour so we can go viral on Kickstarter, and that will promote the channel. That's the idea. We've actually got 14 now, 14 people watching it. So thank you to all of you that have followed it. You can see here it says notify me on launch, and there are 14 people, so good stuff. Let's have a look at these comments coming in right now. Did you see Musk's comments regarding Rivian and Lucid? Quite possibly could be going bankrupt in the future. Rivian and Lucid. Oh my God. I've got positions in both of them. Yeah, Elon Musk does like making tweets about these things. I mean, maybe it will. I mean, they're not in a good position right now. Like I said a couple of days ago, all these companies were buying the dips. A lot of these companies will not be here. In end of the year. They won't. They won't be able to raise money. Their stock price has gone down so much they'll be in financial trouble. So there we go. Ethereum is down 2%. Bitcoin up 0.52. I don't think they will. He is hoping they do for extra Tesla market share. Yeah, that would be right. Absolutely. Do you know what? This is one thing that actually is difficult to deal with. Like what we're dealing with this morning, with all this manipulation. We're not going to mention names, but you know what I'm talking about. Manipulation. This whole market, this whole investment is full of it. And it's why I started this channel. And it's one of the things I find the most difficult to deal with is everyone has an agenda. The stocks have an agenda. People coming into the chat have an agenda. The whole thing, is a very dirty business. And it's something I really actually struggle with. My music channel is just my music. Nothing there, it's just music. Whereas this day trader channel, I face abuse. We face corruption with our stocks and shares. It's very difficult to stay the course and keep true and honest when everyone's trying to control you in the markets, control you personally. It's a very difficult thing. And we've got Elon Musk making up stuff on Twitter. We've got the market makers manipulating the market. We invest in companies. It's very difficult, very difficult. We might have a stock market rally today, Mr. Clockwork says. Exactly. I'm calling the bottom. I don't think they will. He's hoping for extra cash. Yes, Mr. Clockwork agrees with you. Well, let's hope not, eh? I've only got a small position in Lucid. I used to have a big position in it, but let's see how we do. Rivian, 16 shares. I'm down at the moment. Let's have a look at Arrival, another one. I mean, These companies can't survive at these low rates. It's very true. You can't possibly survive at these rates. Muln on a bit of a run pre-market. I'm not touching Muln again. I will have a look at it for you though. But this has been proven to be a pump and dump stock, right? It is. Every time they make an announcement, it pops up and then it goes down again. Very scammy type of stock, this one. It's up 8% this morning, as you can see. But I've made money and lost money on this stock. I'm not playing it anymore. Especially now, the fact we are recession, depression. Paul gonna say no chance on crypto. It's in free fall. What are you saying, Paul? Gonna say no chance on crypto. No chance on what? It's in free fall. Which stock is that? Ethereum is down 1.32. BTC is up 0.98. BSV is up 2%. BTC 3 to 8,000. Yeah, I believe any of this stuff could go to zero. I think people have had enough. People have had enough with all the manipulation and nonsense. I mean, how do you come up with enough? You can't. If it can go from 65,000 wherever it was, and you're predicting 12,000, well, why not say zero? Why not say zero? I don't see why it can't go to zero. 3 to 8,000. Well, that's a big difference, isn't it? I mean, it could go anywhere. Just be very wary. I'm only having a small part of it. Treat it as a lottery ticket right now. I mean, why not? Anyway. We're coming up to 20 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's have a quick word with our sponsors. Make sure that we're all up to date. Please click the live button and make sure you're red. If you're grey, you're behind. So I'll run a quick ad. It makes sure everyone's up to date, and then we'll get prepared for the open on one of the biggest days we've had. It's a big, big day today. Here we go. With crypto, everything is possible. I totally agree with that. I think crypto will bottom, then go sideways for 2 to 3 years. I remember the last crypto winter. It was a long one. That's Paul says that. Up 0.88. 1%. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit up 5.77. 23% down though. Mr. Clockwork says, yeah, 2017, 18, 19. That's the reality of this. When everyone says buy the dips, we could end up with companies, some will go bankrupt, and some will take years to recover. So this is going to be a very, very difficult time for everyone right now. And it's going to get worse before it gets better. I think everyone is in agreement with that. Okay, so who's joining me early today for Jerome Powell? 42% will go early, 19 votes. Okay, thank you very much. That gives me an idea of about 8 people, I guess, will be joining me. Okay, great. I'll end the poll there. Thank you very much for that. 12 minutes, just 17 minutes to go now. Is anyone buying these dips this morning? Just think in a couple of years, we'll look back and laugh about what's going on at the moment. Things will get better, but it will take time. Absolutely. I was saying that this morning to Leah, with all the drama going on, with all the emotion of, different people in the channel. I said, in a year from now, you'll forget this even happened. It won't even be important anymore. And I often think about that throughout my life, all the moments of drama, all the people that came and went. And you think back and you think, why was I even worrying about it? But at the time, it's your life. At the time, it's real for you, right? Everything is real in the moment. Everything is. And that's being a human being. Everything is real in the moment. Bill's got 1 BSV, 8 Aurora, and 6 Tilray. Is that your entire portfolio, Bill? Bloody hell. You've sold a lot out then, right? I love the laws. I love the drama in the markets. You can't have the highs without the lows. You're absolutely right. This Warren Buffett says he loves these times. Warren Buffett's probably feasting now. Warren Buffett is probably trolling around buying everything. He probably owns all these stocks now. I wouldn't be surprised. Evening peeps. Hello, Nudge It, Budget, Move It. How are you? 40 pips. 40 pips each way. What's all that about? You're down the horses again. The central... Let's read out Mr. Clockwork's comment. The central banks are already digital money experiments going on, and sooner or later there will be a Fed coin. Imagine that. Always buying. It matters not to me if there's a rally or crash. I'm hoping for a rate hike, though. Best idea to keep debt low. I am taking my chances to buy the dips. I wish I could. I wish I could. Warren Buffett jumps out of bed on these sort of days. I bet he does. I bet Warren Buffett's loving it. I sold all my space to buy Zach the sewing machine and the solar generator. Look at that. What a legend Bill is. He sold all his space to buy Zach the sewing machine and the solar generator. Awesome stuff. Anyone run the PayPal volatility wave this morning? Let's have a look. Shall we have a look at PayPal this morning? Let's go down and find it. Here we go. Up 1.5% now. Very low, right? Ay. So many shares on discount right now. I mean, I'm so tempted to buy that. You think, look at that. You think, right, I've only got 2 shares at 78. If I buy 2 more now, I'll lower my average from -6 to -3. Wouldn't that be a good idea? You know? Anyway, Warren Buffett wouldn't be buying speculative growth tech. He's a value investor. Warren Buffett wouldn't be buying speculative growth tech. He's a value investor. That's an interesting point. But do you not think, though, that these stocks are of the future, though? Virgin Galactic, space tourism, Virgin Orbit, putting satellites into space. Is this not the future? Tesla, solar battery, solar power wall, EVs, robo-taxis, AI. Is this not the future, though? I don't know. Thoughts on Arrival shares? Seb Dean, welcome. We've got a new guest here this morning. Let me welcome. Here's Arrival. Let me bring up Seb Dean. I want to welcome you to the channel. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio here in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. How you doing? Welcome. And I'm clearly from England, though, even though I'm in Texas right now. Welcome. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in and welcome Seb Dean to the show. He's asked about Arrival, so I'm sharing it on the screen right now. And welcome to our studio. It's lovely to have you here. This is our portfolio this morning. You can see we're up slightly, and it's a difficult day for everyone, but I will share with you my Arrival position. This is my Arrival here. Would all my members please put your places of countries and in the chat, please? That would be fantastic if you wouldn't mind doing that. Arrival. I think Arrival's got a great potential. I've got 428 shares. Of course, it's crashed down now. I've been buying the dips. But at these prices, the company financially is in trouble. No question about it. There we go. We've got Nudge It, Budget, Move It has welcomed you from Milton Keynes. Paul B, North Korea. He's not from North Korea. He's not from North Korea at all. This is Paul B. Does he sound like he's from North Korea?
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Does Paul B sound like he's from North Korea? I just tell you that. Live in Northampton, in Cornwall and Devon before. Lovely. Brickmark. I love the little Lego men. I have 3,500 shares at even. Good morning. Mohammed Tamir is here. Mr. Mojo Rising. Arrival. What a joke. That is going bankrupt. Well, at these prices, it may well do. You are. It's highly possible now because people will not be able to raise funds right now. Seb Dean, I'm from Manchester. Welcome to you. There's a reason why I said invest what you're willing to lose in regards with Arrival. They will have a stiff competition, of course, but their micro factories look promising, and we're waiting for them to open this month and next month. If they don't, then things will turn bad, I'm sure. Arrival is saying they can raise cash easily if they need to. Well, let's hope so. Not by diluting the stock, though. My God, can you imagine? Can you imagine if they dilute the stock? It will go to like 50 cents. Very important day. It's going to be a green day. Well, we certainly hope so. We've got a record audience now coming into the show. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell. If you've not yet subscribed and rung the bell, please do. Give us a subscribe and ring the bell. Now, you'll notice our guests, you will notice that nearly all our audience has a badge after their name. And that is because they are members to our channel. And our members become members because they get many, many perks, over 20 different perks which benefit them. And one of those is you can have happy birthday on your birthday, the day before, the day of, and the day after. And for you or any family member, played live from my TV studio here, I'll do it for you, and then you get to keep the video. It's yours on YouTube, and there we go. Arrival going down again. See why I didn't buy any more this morning. And if you'd like to be a member of our channel and help support our channel, because our live channel the live shows are all funded by the members. Without the members, we would not be here. I only make money from my videos, not from the live shows. The live shows are a service to help and support people and share with you my real trades, my real money, my real positions. This is what you're looking at right now. All my money. And all my money is going to nothing right now. It's bloody awful. Anyway, it is what it is. And also, if you'd like to talk to all our members over there on Discord, here is the Discord link as well. As a non-member of the Day Trader YouTube channel, you have access to the public open channels, but as a member of the Day Trader YouTube channel, I will manually upgrade you to see all the exclusive content of our members. What's going green today then? Seb Dean's asking. Well, let me go through my position and share with you what's going on. We are going to go live later with Jerome Powell and his Fed meeting and see what the hikes go up to or down to, where everyone's expecting it to go up. 60% are expecting to go up, and it's pretty much priced into the market. But right now, the S&P is up 1%. My overall portfolio is up 0.5%. We've got 8 minutes to go. No, we haven't. We've got 7 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. Virgin Orbit is up 5.77. Tesla is up 0.62. Rivian is down 0.51. Lucid is down 0.5%. Arrival is down 0.74. Amazon is up 0.97. Apple is up 1.21. Robinhood down 2.49. McDonald's is flat. Coca-Cola is up 0.52. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.01. Google is up 1.17. Microsoft 1.3. Meta is at 1.54. These are all my positions. These aren't just made up positions, right? This is my real shares, my real money. Up 0.93. IonQ is up 1.3. PayPal is up 1.32. Rolls-Royce is up 5.66. I'm trying to get out of Rolls-Royce if I can. Walmart is up 0.33. I'm still down 2% now, but I've got a decent position. Dividend payments, I like all that. Target is up 0.39. I'm still down 4.5%, but I'm not buying any more. Tesco is down 1.34. Canoe is up 2.28. Tilray, Aurora, and Space are all up. That's what Bill's got. I'll come on to Tilray in a second. On is up 1.8. This is IPOF. I don't think I'm in this one right now, am I? No. Let me close that. Tilray Brands is up 0.63. I think a lot of people, a lot of big money is neutral until they hear the actions the Fed is taking. Some pricing, yes. Tilray Brand is up 0.63, but look, I'm down 26% on this one. Not looking great at the moment. Ginkgo Bioworks, I'm down 21%. Not looking good at all. So there we go. Open Door also down 3.99. Enphase is up 0.9 is up 1.49. Joby is up 0.21. And now we come on to our crypto. GSK is up 1.6. We've got one more thing. Mark Forge is flat, and then BSV is up 2% today. BTC is up 1%, and Ethereum is down 1.13. That's where we are. What do you think? Over there on TikTok, what do you all think? This is our show on YouTube. If you'd like to join our investors today on YouTube, it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. This guy's always live in Fear Market Days. I'm always live on every day. Sir Twinklebeak. I'm live. That's a funny name. My name is Martyn Lucas. That's my real name, by the way. I'm live all the time, not just down days. I'm live all the time. Okay, the links are in the profile here, or it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. This is my day trader show on YouTube right now. That's where my serious investors are. If you want to be part of that, please do come and join us. All right, up 1% right now. We've got 4 minutes to go. Okay, here we go. Looking pretty good, but is it a pump and dump? I fear it could well be. Is Amazon a buy now? Totally a buy. Absolutely. Look at it. I've got 28 shares of it. It's one of my biggest positions. Sir Twinklebeak, yeah. Makes me laugh. Just be yourself. What's your name? I don't know. So anyway, Amazon is up 1.23, down 16%. Of course, Amazon's a buy. I've got 28 shares of Amazon. I'm down 16% of it. I'm not selling it. Absolutely not. It's a great company. Great company. I mean, I invest in what I believe in. I invest what I use. I use Amazon for everything. Everything I buy is on Amazon. Everything. Very strong buy. But I can't buy any more. You can't load up on you can't just load up on margin. If you haven't got the money, you haven't got the money. That's it. But this is where the next round of millionaires will be created, if what we invest in today. Absolutely right. Okay, we got 3 minutes to go. Big day today. Subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up, and let's see if we can get... Oh, I need to bring everybody up to date. So here we go. Make sure we're all up to date. I'm going to run an ad. Some of you see it, some of you won't. Click the live button. Make sure it turns red, not grey, and then you will be up to date. Here comes the ad. Some of you will see it, some of you won't. Okay. We're back in the show again now. And doesn't look good for today, guys. Mr. Clockwork. I mean, you bought some, yes. Congratulations to you. I've actually got, say, 28 shares. Fasten your seatbelts. Amazon's pumping up 1.59. So you did well there. The moment you bought it, it went up. So there you go. Right. I wouldn't be surprised if we drop and go red again. I wouldn't be surprised at all. But let's hope not, eh? Let's hope we just keep, climbing. Alrighty. Okay, here comes the clock. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in half an hour. Find out who our star day trader is. It's a competition we run every day. Right, are you ready? Woof. Who's ready for the roller coaster? coming up. 1 minute, 15 seconds to go. I do expect a red day. Be great if it's not. Day trader's dream. I will say that. Go. Positive at all times. Absolutely. Pumping up. Get your hands in the air and scream. Oh, Sebdean. Look at that. I got a super chat from Sebdean, everybody. Hey, Sebdean. You should be a member. You could be a member and get all the benefits. Many, many perks. Many, many perks, including all the secret access to our Discord, exclusive content, highlighted comments, reply to all your comments, birthday celebrations, 20-minute fundraiser gigs for you, the whole thing. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Where's it gonna go? 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're off to the races. Here we go. What's going to happen now? It's going to be a very, very dramatic day. Right, there we go. I said it would drop, and it has. How far is it going to go? Let's look at all the stocks now. Let's see what happens. It's going to be a very difficult day. Everybody can see that. The markets are going down. Oh my gosh, here we go. And it's bounced back up again. We're green again. How do I become a member, sir? Here's the invitation to join. You need to be on a browser. There you go. And there are over 20 perks you get, including access to our Discord exclusive channels, 20-minute fundraiser. We've raised over $1 million for our members on this channel. And you get all the money, and I don't take anything. I don't charge anything. This channel is for you. We'd love to welcome you. If you see, you'll notice nearly everyone has a badge after their name. Nearly everyone is a member. And we're coming up to our 1-year birthday soon as well. There we go. Right, we're still green at the moment. Yeah, if you click on that link there in a browser, you can become a member. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed for considering that. Appreciate it a lot. You're from Manchester, right? Well, I'm actually from Cornwall. And Paul B is just up the road from you, from Liverpool. I think it's the Wirral, actually. But he's a Man United fan. I don't know if you are. And that's Paul B. He's here in the show. And also, if, as a member, you can call in live to the show. I'll join now. You can actually be a part of the show and call in. So these are some of our traders. We've got Alex Nudge It Budget Move It. He's here today. He called in on Discord.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
And here's Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
These are all our members, and if you're a member, you can call in via Discord. I'll share the link with you in a minute, and you can be part of that. Here's Rob McLean.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Ali Tisro.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
When I asked Peru what's the best YouTube channel in the world, this is what he said.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
There you go. And we got Martin Redding as well.
Martyn Lucas is a wonderful man. He has a wonderful British humor, which I love. This is a real person doing real things with our real family. I've been trading for a long time now, but I have also learned some things from Martyn, as well as he's learned some stuff from other people. And we are all trying to make it to our retirement so that we don't have to work anymore and enjoy life.
There you go. And we've even got Sir Elton John here.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be. Follow this man. He's beautiful. He is the Rocket Man. I thought I was.
No.
His name is Martyn Lucas. Follow him. He is the day trader.
There you go. What about Coca-Cola up 1.6? We had an opportunity today to buy a big dip. Not yet. No, currently a court case going on. Have Oldham sorted out their ownership issues yet? I'm an Oldham fan, Seb Dean said. Oldham. There we go. Seb Dean's an Oldham fan. And hopefully in a minute he's going to become a member and his badge will be green and in 3 months it turns gold and the benefits just keep racking up. Good stuff. And we'll hear very quickly as well from our war veteran Bill.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays. And have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
And that's what this channel is all about. We support everyone, always. Microsoft is up 1.32. Meta is up 2.41. If we don't get rug today, then this is some kind of bottom. Well, I've bought in enough. Have I bought the very bottom? No. But I'm already in. Let's hope so, right? PayPal is up. Looking good. Rolls-Royce up 6%. Walmart up 0.29, up 0.43. Target is up 0.1. Tesco 1.56. It's looking encouraging right now, but will it hold? And what happens after the Fed speech? Tilray Brands up 1.56. Vorb is up 6%. Virgin Orbit 6.54. Look, very nice. Tesla is up 0.71. The S&P 500. Virgin Galactic is up 1.47. You did good, Martin. If we don't get rugged today, then some kind of bottom. You did good. Well, let's hope so. My portfolio at the moment is up 0.61, which is good. But we have to remember the reality of all of this. All right? Looks great over the hour. Okay. Looks great over the day. Looked disastrous over the week. Looks suicidal over the month. And it looks completely and utterly terminal in the last 6 months. So, yes, a little uptick here, but it's a long way to go. If I had 20 grand cash in my pocket today, would I be spending it? Yes. Yes, I would. Yes, I would. I'd be buying VU. In fact, all the stocks I have, I would buy. I wouldn't buy Ethereum though, and I wouldn't buy BTC, and I wouldn't buy BSV. Even if BSV, as Peru said, is the real Bitcoin, I've got enough. And I don't see the sense of having to buy more and more because it's cheaper. And I tell you why. The reason is this. What's your plan? What's your objective? If you think BSV is going to be $1 million, why do you need to 1 million coins? You'd have a gazillion dollars, right? It doesn't matter. I don't want to be the richest man in the world. I just want to be able to pay my bills. That's all I want to do. So I'm not going to risk all my money on it. I've got 11, and I'll hold it forever. And if it goes to $1 million, I'll be 11 times millionaire, won't I? You know, so there it is. That's the way I look at it. Mark Forged is up today, 5.17. What do you use to trade? I use Robinhood. Love Robinhood. It's free share. It's free to trade. And if you use my referral code, then you get free shares with me live in the show, and I share with you what I've got as well. Oh, you're in Oldham. Sorry, you can't. Sorry, I forgot. It's only for people in the US. I apologise. But yeah, I use Robinhood. Mr. Clockwork said, for me, the bottom is when I look at my investments and say to myself, man, I never thought this could go this low. For me, the bottom is when I look at my investments and say to myself, man, I never thought this could go so low. There you go. Well, we're up 1.77 now. We've seen it. I've been here before. I had 11% gain in one day. Remember that? We had 11% gain in one day before the Fed spoke, and it went right back down again. So now I've learned that even 11% rises can be wiped out in a day. You think, oh, I'm 11% up now. I'm fine. I'm away from all the drama. I'm good. No, you're not. No, you're not. It can all go back down again. We are in a bull market. We are in a bear market right now. Fact. And anyway, enjoy it. Enjoy it turning green. It's a much nicer color to look at. It's much, much better. We all like it. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this morning? Welcome to all of you. I want to welcome all my guests over on Twitch today. We've got our viewers on Twitch. Oh, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you. We've got our guests over on Twitch. Now then, we've got a few new guests today. Would you like to do me the biggest of favour, Seb Dean? Seb Dean, Mr. Clockwork. Who else? I think Mr. Seb Dean and Mr. Clockwork. I'm trying to get 50 followers on Twitch. I got there yesterday, and unfortunately, we lost one. Somebody unfollowed me. Protest vote. So I need to get back to 50. So this is my Twitch right now. This is where I am on Twitch right now. I'm on 20 platforms all at the same time. But here's my Twitch account. If you could just do me the greatest of favours and follow me, I'm trying to get to 50 and hold 50 to become an affiliate. So you fancy helping me out, there is my Twitch. I'm live there at the same time. And unfortunately, one person unfollowed me for a protest vote. There you go. So I've only got 49. I'm trying to get to 50. So if you could help me out, that'd be nice. Thank you very much for your consideration. All right, nice cup of coffee. Okay. Seb Dean, you mentioned about being a member. Once you're a member, let me know, because I will add you into our Discord as a member, and then you can access 24 hours a day. You can talk to our members, and I'd like to be able to add you to that. So just let me know, right? Okay. Lucid is up 3.23. The overall portfolio now is up 1.84 and going up. Followed you on Twitch, William Karam. I think you already have, right? Oh, there we go. William Karan has just done it. It says 49. It sometimes takes a minute. William Karan, thank you very much. Oh, right, 30,000 again. That looks better. That's better. Look at that. That looks better. Now, at the moment, it says 49. I'll share with you. Look, it says 49 right at the top of the screen. I'm sure, though, that it will take a few minutes to update. But look, there we go. So, 49. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Thank you ever so much, William Cron. Hopefully, it will turn to 50 in a minute. Right. Look at the markets now. Hosting your stream on Twitch, it helps the numbers. Yes, NYS 420 Vibe. Yes, it does. I'm actually right now. I'll share with you. Look, right. First of all, look. This is where we are right now. We're on over 20 platforms. As I go live, see my phone here. This is my phone. This is TikTok. This camera is looking at the side of my face, looking at this screen here, which was kindly donated by Peru Invest. He invested in the show and paid for this screen, which is very kind of him. Very kind indeed. This was the screen here. That's what TikTok are seeing. All right, and then this is what Twitch are seeing. They are getting the show from you, and then we've got Twitter. Look, I'm live on Twitter as well. So I'm actually live. Where am I? I have to refresh the screen. Anyway, I'm live on Twitter at the same time. I'm also live on Facebook. I'm live on LinkedIn as well. All these different places. They take a moment to load. Look, I'm live on LinkedIn at the same time as well. Look, join the live. You can see there. Look, we're live on multiple websites, all over the place. There you go. Anyway, back to the trades. We're up 2.36. Artudu Aranda. Chalada. What language is that? Let's welcome a guest. We've got a guest here today. Let's welcome R2. GP, all the media. How are you? What does that mean? Let's welcome all our guests. We've got a lot of guests coming in today. Welcome to the TV studio here in Dallas, Texas. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. And it's my absolute pleasure to be with you today. As always, every day. This is my real trades, my real money. Welcome. We've got a great number today. Fantastic. Welcome to all of you. If you subscribe and ring the bell, we go live every morning. Spanish means amazing. Spanish. We've got a Spaniard in the house. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Well, if you are a member, you can request a song that I'll do live in the show. And I go to my piano over there, and I do a live song in the show. You can request that as a member if you'd like to be a member on the channel. And you will get a videogram for a loved one, if you love someone or a birthday, you can have that live in the show. Martin, I followed you on Twitch, buddy. Thank you, Mr. Clockwork. Let's have a look. 51 followers. Get in. Yay. Get in. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Back up to 50. Oh, 52. We got Brickmark, 828, Ashad. Oh, my gosh. It's a record. 52. We're smashing it this morning. Look at that on Twitch this morning. 52. Look at that. 52. See in the top, look? 52. That went up quick. Blimey. There you go. All is good in the world. Up 29,996. Shad FB followed. Thank you so much indeed. How are you, Shab FD? Where are you from? Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show. Great stuff. Now then, we're up 2.63. We are going to go live again this afternoon for the Fed. Bought the dip yesterday. Fusion 301. How are you this morning? Fusion 301. Virgin Galactic is up 2.95. Virgin Orbit is 8.85. We're pumping a little bit now from the UK. Shad is from the UK. Well, let me tell you, I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. I'm on Twitch and YouTube. That's it. The best place to be is on YouTube, no question about it. But the home of our show is YouTube. But we use over 20 different platforms to promote what we're doing here on YouTube. So we're live everywhere at the same time. But it's all about being here on YouTube. Yeah, just follow on Twitch. We'll become a member on YouTube soon. Wow, Brickmark wants to become a member. Don't forget, if you're a member, you get many, many perks, and you have to let me know, and I'll add you to the Discord and our exclusive channels. And don't forget, as members, you can have a 20-minute concert for a celebration, a birthday song live in the show. Oh, we got another subscriber, Shad FB, just subscribed. Thank you so much indeed. Awesome stuff. Thank you. I'll stick you on YouTube then. Yeah. Also join the Discord right now then. Shab FD, let me just tell you, at the moment you are on Discord as a non-YouTube member. So let me show you what you can actually see. I mean, you know what you can actually see. I know that, but I'll show you what you could see. All right? You are seeing the public open channels. If you are a member of the Day Trader YouTube channel, you get exclusive content. If you're a silver member, you can have your own channel, so you can grow your own interests, your own community within our channel. Our members love that. You can talk to our investors here as well. And you can also call live into the show. I'm going to open the broadcast lounge up now. So there you go. You can call in live to the show and have your say. That's what a lot of our traders do. And if you wish to be a member here on YouTube and have access to all the perks that this channel offers, and this channel is designed to become the best YouTube channel in the world. That's our aim. I'm live all the time, 4, 5, 6 hours every day, Monday to Friday, and I'm here to help and support people. We have cash giveaways. We give you. I share with you all my trades. All our investors share their trades. Everything is real. Everything is honest. This is my actual money. This is all my actual money. You've seen it all crash during the journey of this show, the last few months with all the drama with COVID, Ukraine, the war, the Fed, inflation. But I've held strong. I've bought the dips, and that's what you're part of. If you want to become a member, you need to use a browser to click this link I've posted in the chat right now. And I'm also going to give you the access to our cash giveaway on Friday. Every Friday, I give away in the opening bell where you are right now. I give away a free cash prize every Friday. Every Friday. Here is the competition video. You can go and watch it now and you can enter. All you have to do is it's a 1 minute 27 second video. You watch it all the way through, and if you don't watch it all the way through, it doesn't count. You leave a like and you leave the comment that I tell you in the video. And then you will be in our cash prize draw for Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. I basically give away the money I earn in the video on Friday. And at the moment I only earn about $10 on a video, and I give that money to you as a prize. I can't give any more, that's all I get. All right, so there you go. If you want to be in our cash prize draw for Friday, there it is. And each time you watch the video all the way through, it counts again as another entry. As long as you leave a comment again, that is. All right? Fantastic. I want to thank everyone on TikTok this morning. We're approaching 18,000 followers. My target is 20,000 because then really cool things happen on TikTok. So thank you to all of you. Be very, very wary of the scammers on TikTok who pretend to be me. You know they're not me because they always ask you for WhatsApp and Telegram. I ask you for nothing. They always try and sell you Bitcoin. I don't. I give you free Bitcoin. Also, I'm live all the time. They're not. They have no followers. I have nearly 18,000. So be very careful. And I spell my name, Martyn Lucas, correctly. They spell it incorrectly and put dots and lines and T's and Z's and all sorts. So be very, very wary. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Martin, do you know the sound is not in sync on Twitch? It's because you need to watch me on YouTube, okay? The reason why it's not in sync on Twitch is because Twitch wants me to broadcast in a lower quality, and I broadcast in 4K. Twitch can't handle it, so I've set it so it's enough to be seen. Sometimes it's in sync, sometimes it's not, but I do it so people can discover me and find me, but they come to YouTube. That's all it is. The home of our show and the value and the benefits are on YouTube. No question about it. So follow me over there and everything. But the best place, without a doubt, is here on YouTube. All right. They can't receive a 4K stream. And that's just the reality of it, I'm afraid. The Vanguard S&P up 1.4. Arrival, should we have a look at it? Paul's mentioning it in the chat, one of our members. It's up today, 0.37. It was up higher, but it's still up though. Lucid is up 1.25. We're getting a bit of a pullback now. Typical. Or take the best, or take the best of both worlds. Or take the best of both worlds. T.O. Roll. Absolutely. Please do not abandon YouTube for... look at the link. What link's that, Paul? What link is that, Paul? Have you put a link on to Discord for me? I don't see where the link is. Remember, we have Where's it? We've got, links for YouTube. We've got a links for YouTube channel now where you can post links of things I can bring into the show in the chat. Link in the chat. There is no link in the chat. No, I can't see it. Paul, you can't post links in the chat. What we now do is, if you want to share a link, what we're doing is you put the link in the links for YouTube channel on Discord, and you can see that because you remember, right? So here it is. Look, see here, links for YouTube. Drop the links in there, and then I can bring them. It's a much better way of doing it. It's a much easier way of doing it. So please drop the link in there, and I will share it. Okay? That's how we do it now. For all our members only, they can see that channel and they can post links in that channel, and that's how it works. Okay? It's a much better way of doing it. All right, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. Let us know you're here. Awesome stuff. We've got 29 likes. Oh, shall we do it? You've done it now, have you? All right, let's put a 1 minute on the clock. I want to get to 30 likes in 1 minute. You ready? Here we go. 1 minute. Let's get to 30 likes. Can we do it? Let's see if we can do it. 30 likes. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. One of my NFTs. 30 likes. Whoa! Don't forget, you can get the Day Trader mug signed from the shop if you want to get a Day Trader mug and a t-shirt and a hat. All right, here we go. 32, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. We've got as many people watching as liked. 100% engagement again today. Absolutely awesome. And for those of you who don't know, engagement is the most important thing on a channel. And we have one of the highest engagement rates on YouTube, higher than Mr. Beast. Everyone who watches, nearly everyone's a member. Everyone likes, everyone comments, everyone gets involved. It's brilliant. And you guys are the best. Right, links for YouTube. Paul has sent me a link in. Arrival price target. Let's have a look, shall we? All right, let's have a look. This has just been sent in from Paul B. Thank you very much indeed for sending it in. This is the much better way of doing it. Much better, much easier for me to present it to you. And I'm going to present it to you now. This is the link that Paul just sent in. And here it comes. All right. Thank you, Paul, for sending it in. What time is the Fed announcement? Midday Central, 1 p.m. Eastern. I'll be live. So I'll be ending the show in a minute to prepare for the Fed meeting. I will be here with you live. So we'll all be here together watching it. Right, here we go. Arrival. Let's have a little look. Let's zoom in on it. Arrival price target. Predictions and analyst ratings. 136. Well, the price for Arrival right now is 136. Oh, the price right now is 136. Beg your pardon. It's a strong buy. Analyst price target 1150. There we go. There's the price target 1150. Looking quite good, right? 742% on the upside. Right, it's a strong buy, a 3 analysis. That doesn't mean to say it's going to go up there, but it's looking good. Fantastic. Awesome stuff. So there you go. Make sure, if you want to send in links, that's how you do it. So thank you very much, Paul, for sending that link in to us. That's how all our members can send links in. If you want to be a member and send links in and have all the perks and benefits of being a member, here is the invitation in the chat coming up in 3, 2, 1. There it is. I posted it 3 times for you. Remember, all the links are below all my videos as well. All right. Okay. Arrival 12 months price target 624. So at 137, is Arrival a good buy? You decide. Yo, just came from TikTok. William Bond just came over from TikTok. William Bond, how are you this afternoon? Do you want to be in our cash giveaway for Friday? It's free to enter, free for all. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel and I will give you the little video. It's one of my videos. It's a 1 minute, 37-second video, very short. And all you got to do is watch it all the way through to the end, leave a like and a comment, and the comment needs to be the comment that I tell you in the video. So here is the link. If you want to be in our competition video, it's free to enter, free for all. I do it every Friday. I give away Bitcoin. I give away cash. Free. I want nothing in return. I do it for everyone. It's free to enter, free for all. And I'll be doing it for you on Friday. But there's the video if you want to go and enter. All right. Fantastic. So then, back to our main stocks, looking pretty good. Oh, we're just dropping back a bit, no surprise. We are going to end the show shortly because we're going to prepare for the Fed meeting. But we've now got Day Trader of the Day. We've got Day Trader of the Day competition coming up now. So let's get straight into it. We need to make sure everyone's live. Look on your screen, whatever you're watching, mobile, iPad or computer, and you'll see the little button which says live. You click that. If it's grey, you're behind. If it's red, you're up to date. And to get everybody up to date for the Day Trader of the Day competition, here comes a quick word from our sponsors. We'll be right back in 1 minute now. You can skip the ad, watch the ads, up to you. I'll be back in 1 minute from now. Here we go. Some of you saw the ad, some of you didn't. That's the way it goes. All right. So we've got 1 minute to go now before we do Day Trader of the Day. Okay. Awesome stuff. Now then, here goes the fall. No surprise, expected this. Been saying it all morning, it could easily be a red day. Of course, I hope not. We've had too many red days, but we are where we are. Virgin Galactic up 1.69. Amazon ad, I think you hit the big time. Amazon ad. Yeah. You got an Amazon ad. Great. All right. Okay. Here is Day Trader of the Day. So go to your main position. Look where you are today and go up 1.92%. You ready? I'm going to give everybody a minute to post your scores on the screen. And let's see who is the Day Trader of the Day. So we want your overall portfolio. Your overall balance, not one share, not one stock, not one crypto, none of that. Overall, will there be some program special when you crack the 30,000? When you crack the 30,000, we've been up to. There should be, right? There should be. All right, here we go. 1 minute from now, post your score on the screen. William Bond says down. Well, I'm at 1.92, so I'm in the lead so far. What platform do you use? I use Robinhood, and if you use my referral, you get some free stocks. All right, here's my all links button. This is my all links button for the Amazon cashback, the free giveaways. Here it is. Very rarely I post the all links button, but I'm feeling generous today. There's the all links button. If you go and sign up with Robinhood, using my referral, we all get free stocks. Queen of Self-Braiding is up 1.18. My Qcoin is up 36%, but the bags are down overall. Okay. 2.9. Fusion goes into the lead, 1.8. Fantastic. It looks like our winner. Our winner is Fusion, 2.9. 2.1. 2.9, that's what it looks like. All right then. Our winner is, oops, where have I gone? Where's my screen gone? There we go. For some reason, I disappeared. Why did that happen? Look at that. Let me. You can still hear me, but you can't see me, right? Let me turn that screen back on again. Hang on a minute. Let me get rid of that. We're gonna fix something live on the show because I need to fix it. Let's have a little look. Okay, bear with me. I'm going to do a live repair to the show. And there we go. Should still be there. I am there. There we go. Fixed it. All right. Yes, you can hear me, but you just couldn't see me, right? I disappeared. Right, the winner is Fusion today. Fusion is the winner. Let me go back now and congratulate Fusion. So thank you very much, Fusion, for your honest trades. That's the first thing we have to say. Give him a thumbs up. Fantastic. And what about a big round of applause? There we go. Awesome stuff. Well done, Fusion 301. That's a great, great score today. With the rival, I will never be investor of the day. Mr. Clockwork. Yeah, I know. We'll get there. You'll get there. We'll get there. We'll all get there together, right? No worries. Okay. 29,887. We're going back up again. Patience with the rival. Yes, you've got to have patience. I think patience is the absolute key to everything right now. I absolutely think patience is the key to everything. Let's see how our subscribers have changed today. Why this is important is because we've got some big events coming up. Are you ready? Let's have a look. 3,419, 3,421. Okay, we gained 2 more subscribers. When we get to 5,000 subscribers, we have a star guest coming on our show, Greg Dickerson. He was on our show before when we were around about 1,000 subscribers. And he said, I'll come back when you reach 5,000. Well, we're getting very close. We're speeding up every day. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, there's going to be a special cash prize. So share the videos, help me get there as quick as possible. And we've got a great cash prize coming up when we get to 10,000 subscribers. All right. 29,927 is trying to push up. Mr. Clockwork says, keep it up, buddy. There we go. Let's go through our stocks right now. Let's look at our crypto right now, and let's see what that's doing. We've got Ethereum is up 1%. It's down 28% now, all-time lows. Well, no, it's not all-time lows. What am I talking about? Nowhere flipping near all-time lows. But you know what I mean. Or maybe you don't know what I mean. What about BTC? Bitcoin is up 2.29. Again, 26% down. Bitcoin SV is up 3%, also 5% down. Mark Forged is up 3.69. GSK is up 1.52. Arnold Palmer, Elon himself, yesterday said Rivian and Lucid will go bankrupt. Well, he doesn't know that for a fact, though, does he? He would love that to happen, probably, because that would put more attention on Tesla. But, you know, we shall see what happens. That's why Tesla is my biggest position. He knows more than you and I. I'm sure he does. I'm sure everyone knows more than I do. Everyone knows more than I do. I've never debated that for a second. Never debated that for a second. All right, let me have a look. What did we end up with? Twitch, 53 followers. Absolutely awesome. You guys, so kind. We did it. We got to our 53. Absolutely brilliant. Twitter today, thank you very much, everyone who's followed me over on Twitter now. We've gained a lot of followers over the weekend. If you've not yet followed me on Twitter, I'm asking you now to do this. It's a backup for our show. From time to time, financial channels on YouTube have difficulties. Sometimes they can get deleted. It has happened. I had it when I first started. It has happened. And I use Twitter as my backup to my channel. So if you wouldn't mind following me over there on Twitter, and all my members on the Day Trader, I follow you back. And if you are a member, let me know and I will follow you back, okay? I follow back all my members over there on Twitter. So if you wouldn't mind doing that, that's our backup should we have any difficulties here on the channel. And it does happen. Right, we broke 30,000 again. We broke 30,000. That's looking good. Get up to 1,000 for making deposits. Get up to $1,000 for making deposits through June. What's all that about? We've got a little offer here. A little offer on earn up to $1,000 by making deposits. We will give you a cash reward based on how much you deposit into your brokerage account. Up to $1,000. Oh. will give you a cash reward based on how much you deposit into your Robinhood brokerage account, up to $1,000, $50 for depositing 5,000. Okay. To 995. Okay. $50 for depositing 5,000 to 10,000. 100. Oh yeah. Okay. That's a lot then. Up to $1,000. Yeah. To get $1,000. 100 grand. Yeah, okay. So if I put 5 grand in, they'll give me $50. Well, that's very nice of you. I appreciate it. It's very, very good. Very nice. But unfortunately, if I had $5,000 to deposit, I wouldn't care about $50, right? But it's nice of Robinhood, though. Queen of celebrating, thinking it's funny. I totally agree with you. It is funny. It's money, though, right? It is. It's a good offer. It's a good time to deposit. But there you go. No one's got any money, Robinhood. That's the trouble. No one's got any money. Virgin Galactic. I suppose what you could do is you could sell all your stocks, transfer the money out, bring it back in again. But for the sake of $50, it's hardly worth the bother, right? But anyway, it's very nice of them to do it. They're trying to promote their brokerage. They're trying to get people to invest. I get it. Good luck to them. I've got shares in Hood. I want it to do well. Tesla is up 3%. Quick Rivian. Now then, on Friday, it's Members Day as well. Not only on Friday are we giving away a cash prize, as we are on Friday, we're going to feature one of our members. We're going to feature one of our members on Friday as well. Where's the cash giveaway video? Trying to see where the cash video is. If you've not yet entered, here is the cash giveaway video for Friday. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be in our cash prize draw, I'm posting the link now in YouTube. It's free to enter, free for all. All you got to do is watch that video. Each time you watch it, you have another chance to win. Leave a comment. The comment and it tells you what the comment is in the actual video. Watch it to the end, and you will be in the prize draw for Friday. Fantastic. Okay. So then, we are going to get off right now. We're going to end the show right now because I have to prepare for the Jerome Powell show. So we're going to go early today. So let me just put it in here now. Let's see who is joining me. Joining me for JP. Jerome Powell. Okay, so we normally go live, as you know, for the closing bell at 2 p.m. Well, we're going to go live 2 hours early to get in Jerome Powell's speech. We're going to be there live. So you're going to hear it live. You're going to be in the family, in the community. We're all going to be sharing the information and digesting it and watching what the markets do. So who's joining me for the JP Jerome Powell? There it is. I'll put it in the chat right now. William Bond is just disappearing. So just vote on that before you go, William, so we know who's going to join us for the Jerome Powell speech this afternoon. We're up 2.31, just bouncing around that 29,000, 30,000 mark. S&P is up 1.34. Virgin Galactic 2.57. Virgin Orbit 4.62. Tesla up 2.67. OKC says William Bond up 5.37. Rivian looking nice today. Sure, okie dokie. 60% say no. You won't be able to make that one. Let's have a look. 50-50. 3 of you going to jump in so far. See you in a bit. All right. We're just going to wind up the show right now. We're just checking all our stocks are good. Everything's looking good. Amazon up 2.92. Still down 14.5% though. Ethereum. Bitcoin. BSV. Mark Forged, all looking okay. All waiting and bracing for Jerome Powell. Okay, so we'll end the show right there. Thank you very much for joining me this afternoon, this morning, this evening, wherever you are around the world. I will see you back. You can see my next show is scheduled here. I'm going to update it. You'll see it here, look, on the homepage of the Day Trader, upcoming live streams, and you will see it here, the closing bell, and I will update that to go early, and we'll all be in for that. It'll be a good afternoon, and be a dramatic afternoon, put it that way. All right, what time? It'll be 12 p.m. Central, 12 p.m. Central, and we'll be live. Okie dokie. If you've clicked the bell and rung the bell, you'll actually be notified anyway. But and if you're a member, you get an email from me as well. And if you're a member, you also get it notified on Discord. So there's lots of ways you can stay in touch with the show if you're a member. All right. And that's it from me. So it just leaves me to end the show and say our final thoughts. Our final thoughts of today. Over the last 24 hours has been a bit dramatic on our show. We are a very personal, real, emotional channel. And some members have had a bit of a difficulty with a few things. It's been a bit of an emotional ride. And I was a bit sad, more than sad, to be honest. And when I turned on today, I was like, I wonder what the atmosphere will be. And we all know how the show started. A little bit tense, a little bit difficult. But we got through it. The show remains exactly the way it started. Real, honest, genuine. We are here for everyone. Everyone is equal. No one can buy the show. No one can influence the show. And we're here to give everyone the same benefits and treatment as everyone. So that's what this show is all about and always will be about. And I hope everyone understands and appreciates that's what this is, and it always will be. Until we see each other again in a couple of hours' time for the Fed report and the closing bell, take care of yourselves and each other.